From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the crude oil market. You can see the crude oil market has really kind of taken a hit during the trading session on Tuesday as Jerome Powell started to address the idea of inflation as not being transitory. In other words, really kind of boosted the US dollar as rates went higher. With that in mind, it makes quite a bit of sense that certain commodities got hammered, not the least of which would be crude oil. That being said, I do think that it is worth noting that there's a trend line here, so I'm not ready to short yet, but if we can get past, maybe 67 or 66 or so, maybe that little area, then I'm willing to start shorting. Brent, same situation. This is a poorly drawn trend line, by the way. Go ahead and clean that up. There are actually two trend lines. That is the long-term one. This is the shorter-term one. You can see we do have a little further to go with that. We're hanging right around the 200-day EMA, though, so one has to wonder whether or not we have much further to go. A lot of times, markets will overshoot these things and then turn right back around. So, with that being the case, be aware that we could see some type of flippening, if you will. If that's going to happen, we should know in the next day or two. Jobs number coming down on Friday, of course, will have a major influence. A lot of concerns in Brent, though, are Europe related with the lockdown. So we may see a little bit of a divergence between these two markets before it's all said and done.